Wow. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Shaela. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with a brand new video. What's up, y'all? So I'm back with another video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, you know the vibes. As you guys can already tell by the title of this video, today's video is gonna be an unboxing video. I just brought a new camera and it came in the mail today. I'm really excited to unbox it with you guys and show you guys what the new camera is looking like. There was absolutely nothing wrong with my Canon G7X, but you know, your girl just wanted to upgrade a little bit and give you guys better quality audio and just camera quality overall. So I'm really excited to be unboxing this camera, you guys. It's a Canon EOS m50. I'm really excited. Like, I'm literally so happy. I'm excited right now. My heart is full of joy. Like, it's gonna be lit. I'm just really happy, and I just can't wait for you guys to see the quality and how good the camera looks. A lot of YouTubers have this camera, so I decided to, you know, check out their quality and see how it was. It's pretty good. So, you know, I got it myself, got it from Amazon. The link will be down below if you guys are interested in purchasing. So yeah, we're gonna get to unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to the channel. And let's get right into this video. So you guys, here's the box. We're gonna get into this box. So we're gonna grab my scissors, which I know I just had here, but I just don't know what I did with them. Where did I put my scissors? Okay, whatever. Let's see if we can just rip this. Ooh, this is about to be hard. Okay, the thing about Amazon packages, it's really not that hard to rip. So, you know, it's not that hard to. Yay, it's here. That's a big box. Wow. That's a big box. Yeah. Who you know? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Wow. Here's what the box looks like, you guys. It's a pretty big box, and here's the camera. My baby's in here. Oh my gosh. Anywho, you guys, I'm gonna get to opening this box because I'm excited. Here's the box, y'all. You guys can't really see my face all the way, but I'm just really trying to show you guys like really what's inside. So we're gonna get to like opening. I don't even know how you like. It's like some kind of tape here. Okay, I'm trying to lift it. Ugh, I'm struggling. Almost there. Almost got it. Got it. Boom. It's open. So now let's open it up. So first things first, in here is a 32 gigabyte SD card. Okay, they got the SD card in here, y'all. And then we're gonna open it up. Oh, I'm scared. I'm really scared to open this. Oh wow, I'm scared. Let's see. I don't even know, y'all. Woo! It's a big box. Let me take out the top. So the top, okay, comes with a microphone. Here's what the microphone looks like. It's like a huge like mic. I'm really excited about this because I know my audio quality is gonna be better, because sometimes like I vlog a lot, as you guys can tell, and I know you guys like my vlogs. So you guys, this is definitely a plus. I really like this. Actually, I don't know, I feel like this is gonna be really good. This is how you put it on the camera. If you guys can see the picture right here, it shows you how it goes on the camera. I'm really excited about that because I've been wanting a kind of like mic like this for a while now. I'm very excited. Let me open this up and let's see. I'm sure I can rip this. I'm trying to rip it. I'm really excited because I vlog a lot and stuff because you guys love my vlogs. But sometimes, well, most of the time, I'm out in the open or outside. And sometimes you can hear me clearly, but I feel like with the microphone, you're going to hear me even better. So, I'm really excited about it. Like, look how it looks. Ooh. And then we have a quick start guide, which tells you how it works. Let me see. I have no idea. I've never had a mic before. So I'm pretty interested to see how it works. It comes with like a little map and something with instructions and stuff, which I eventually read it later on. But here's what the mic looks like, you guys. It's a Rode kind of mic. Like, I'm not sure if you're even supposed to touch this part, but let me not touch it. But here's what it looks like. And then it comes with the like, you know, the like an aux kind of cord type of thing. That's what it comes in. And then we have like little things. It's pretty stretchy, so that's a great thing. And then I believe you're supposed to connect this here somewhere. Oh, okay. To the back of it right here. You're supposed to like connect it and then eventually plug the other end to the camera, which I'll do eventually when I open up the camera. The difference with my Canon G7X and this kind of camera, I think this Canon EOS m50 is a little bit bigger. But here's the box that it comes in. Look how beautiful! Yay! Look, you guys, it's literally so pretty. It's just so neat and classy. Like, I love it. So let's open it up, y'all. Let's see. This is the actual body camera. By the way, you guys, before I open this up, I want to say that this is just the body and like pretty much like the simple things that comes with the camera. Everything else I'll order it on Amazon when it comes to the case, under the SD card, battery, charger, like all that stuff. So I'm gonna order that eventually. Well, it comes with, I think, a battery and a charger, but I do want to get like those kind of chargers that you can put 2 or 3 batteries in, just so I can charge a lot of batteries at the same time. So there's a lot of things that I'm gonna get from Amazon eventually that didn't come in this box, and maybe I'll do like a haul for that or whatever, or just include a haul in my vlogs. So just stay tuned for that, because this is not everything I'm gonna get for my camera, because I'm also gonna get a case. Like for my Canon G7X, I also had a case or whatever, which I'm using right now. I have a white one and also a pink one. I'm using the white one right now. This is the pink one that I have. So I'm eventually gonna get a Canon EOS m50 case eventually, so one day. But let's open this bad boy up, you guys. It comes with like a whole bunch of instruction cards, which since we do not need a whole lot of papers, we don't need it. We just don't. And then, come on, baby. Okay, so first things first, they have the this is like the cord kind of thing that you like kind of like put around your neck or whatever. I think I'm gonna use this because I don't know, on my Canon G7X I have the like strap that you can put on your hand because it is a small camera, but this one's just a bigger camera. I might want to use the strand or the strap or whatever you want to call it for my camera. We shall see. And then next we have is my battery. So I think the battery, yeah, this battery is definitely way bigger than the one that I have on my Canon G7X. But let me see. Yeah, it's definitely way bigger. Like, it's really thick. Like it's pretty big compared to the Canon G7X battery. I thought I was gonna be able to use my other battery, but I don't think I am going to be able to because this one is just way bigger. And then we have the camera body here. That's the next thing that came in here. So yeah, oh my gosh, like, oh, and then you can flip it. Wait, can I? Yeah, I can. And then you can flip it and stuff. Yeah, oh my gosh, yes. And it's like, it's really lightweight. Honestly, compared to my Canon G7X, that's a good thing. I feel like it's kind of similar when it comes to the weight, because I did not want to get a camera that is just too heavy. And then here is the battery, which plugs into the wall, which is pretty dope. It's like the charger for the battery, and then you pretty much put the battery on here like so. Or is it the other way? Yep, it's the other way. And then you just plug it onto the wall. Okay, this is the very important thing. This right here is the main reason why I decided to get it. the main reason why I decided to get this camera. Let me tell you guys. So with my Canon G7X, due to the fact that it's a small camera, you don't really get to change the lens and all that stuff because it's just one lens. It's the 4.2 by 15, or I don't know what number it is, whatever, it doesn't matter. But it's the 8.8 by 36.8 millimeters. That's the lens that I have. But with this lens, I believe it's a different kind. I'm pretty sure it is because it's a different camera. But what I like about this is the fact that like I can keep the same body camera and just get a different lens. And that's the main reason why I wanted to get this camera, because I know that like, because with my Canon G7X, I want to upgrade the quality, but then I have to buy a whole new camera, you know, that's like $700, $800, you know what I'm saying? But the lens, though it is going to be expensive, I don't have to at least change the body. And sometimes if I get a lens on Black Friday or on sale, I can actually get a pretty good one. But here's what the lens looks like. It looks like a small kind of cup or whatever. And here's what it looks like. And then you just, I believe this is the camera, or it's the opposite. I think the camera is this way. Yeah, so the camera is this way. So I'm gonna put the lens in. So yeah, I'm really excited for this quality, and I just love the fact that, like I told you guys, you know, the difference is that, well, the main reason why I wanted to actually get this camera is because I'm able to change the lens, and the quality was just better overall with the original lens. And eventually, if I want to upgrade the quality or get a wider lens or get, you know, full background or just kind of focus on my face more or just whatever the case may be, I can also use, you know, this camera. So I'm really excited about that, y'all. I'm pretty excited. Like I'm very excited. So let me put this onto the camera now and see how, you know, it's gonna look. So we're gonna open this up. We're gonna of course save these because you just never know if you need it. And then I'm not too good when it comes to lenses and applying them, but let's see. I should be able to get this. I really should. This shouldn't be that hard. Okay, got it. Yay, I got it, y'all. So here's what it look like. And even with the lens, it's just super still, lightweight and stuff. It's not too heavy or anything, which is a pretty great thing. So now I'm gonna remove the top just so I can be able to insert a microphone in, which will eventually go like, I believe this is supposed to face upwards. So look at that. Y'all see how fast that went in? Look at that. And now you make it tighter when it's on there. Oh wow. And then this little cord would go on the side here somewhere. I'm not even sure. Okay, got it in. I opened it, and then I'm gonna put this in here like so. So let's see if I can turn it. Okay, I turned it, and then I just put it in. It's so nice. And then I have my tripod that I use for my Canon G7X that's also red, which I'm just gonna see if it can fit for this one. And then boom, it actually fitted. I'm surprised. And then oopsie, and boom, like we got a new camera. And then this is the back that I'm going to take out just to test it. And here's what the camera looks like, you guys. Literally so pretty, period. I like this. Okay, now we're going to put the battery in, y'all, and then we're also going to put the SIM card. So I have the SIM card here. I'm going to put the SIM card in like so. Did I put it right? I feel like it's gonna take me some time to adjust this camera, but we're gonna make it work, because I'm gonna have to make it work. I believe that's how it's supposed to go. Okay, I got it, y'all. So now we're gonna put the battery in and see how this quality is about to look. I'm nervous, but we gotta do what we gotta do. I'm scared. Okay. So let's turn it on. On and off is here. On. So now it's on. I'm not in London, so let's adjust the time in the year, y'all. I'm already loving this touchscreen stuff. I don't even know how this works. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it to my face now to see how it works. So I'm just trying to pretty much fix up everything. Choose an effect from the presets and then shoot. Okay, so we're gonna try an effect. Hold on, y'all. Like, let me turn it turn the screen really quick. Oopsie, it can even turn. Oh wait, with this microphone here, y'all, I'm gonna have to take that out really quick, flip it, and then put the mic back in. So hold on, let me flip. Wait, how does it flip though? I'm confused. Oh, okay, got it. No, no, no. Wait, let me start recording. Sis, wait, do y'all see this quality? What? Bro, I feel so weird because the fact that like the screen is on that side, and then like, let me put the audio in, y'all. Now we're gonna put in the audio and we're gonna see. I closed it again, dang it. I'm struggling. Oh, you can actually tuck that in there, bro. This camera, listen, you did your thing, like, sis. We're gonna put in the audio. So we put the audio in, y'all, now. So hey guys, we have the this quality is freaking bomb. Like, bro, this is what the camera looks like, you guys. I'm literally so excited. You know what I'm saying? That's the new camera. You know, cheers to the new camera. 2021, y'all know we have to upgrade. Y'all know I had to come harder. Y'all know I had to snap, and this is how I did it, like, period. Huge thank you to you guys for making this possible. Without you guys, I literally wouldn't be able to even get a new camera or even, you know, invest in the camera. You guys are really super helpful. Continue to watch my videos, support my channel. Like, I'm really grateful for you guys, and I'm just really happy that, you know, we're overcoming a lot of things. We reached 10K recently, and that is my gift to myself. I feel like I've worked so hard for 10K. I've literally been buff in my booty for 10K, and I feel like I deserve this. This is well deserved. You guys deserve the quality, and I deserve a new camera. So hey, you know, better quality coming soon, y'all. Oh my god, I'm literally so excited. I'm literally so happy, and I'm in a great mood today, right? I'm in a great mood today. But anyways, we're gonna close out this video because I'm not even gonna make this any longer, and I'm not gonna hold you guys any longer either. But huge thank you to you guys for watching all the way up to here. Like, comment, and also subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye y'all, peace.